Alright, what's going on everyone? It's me running through to bring you guys a special video. Finally got a new bike. It's definitely an upgrade from the T-Dub. The T-Dub was nice, but I wanted something a little bit nicer. This is definitely a pretty big step up from the T-Dub. I got a CRF250L dual sport, which is pretty much a perfect bike for me, I would say, for right now at least. It's pretty much exactly what I need in a bike right now. I can go off-road and on-road all in one. I'm going to be doing a lot more road riding. There's just not nearly enough trails or anything around here. Still definitely enough to want to get a dual sport though. This bike is kind of more street oriented with the engine, and it's a CBR 250 engine. So instead of dirt bike maintenance, it's a motorcycle maintenance. It's based on miles, not hours, and everything like a dirt bike would be. So I've been riding this thing a lot lately. When I picked it up, I'll show a picture of the screen right now. I had like 120 miles on it. You can see I already have 275, so I've doubled the miles on it. It's a 2015, and in 5 years the guys have only, there's been 2 previous owners, they've only put 120 miles on it. I've had it for like a week. I already doubled that, so we'll start it up. Yeah, it's really quiet, but I kind of like that for at least right now. I don't think I'm ever going to get another exhaust. I like the quietness. I can go where I want to without having to worry about it too much. So yeah, the bike is pretty much brand new. It's got less than 300 miles on it. I mean, it had 120 miles in it when I bought it. It's a 2015. So yeah, guys, I'll have some more GoPro footage. I rode it around quite a bit. Took it to the trails for the first time. A lot of fun over there at the trails. So I'll have videos coming up with the trails and the first ride and the road ride on this bike. I'll just put it in this video right here. So yeah, guys, enjoy the GoPro footage. I'm going to be making a lot more videos now that I have a bike that I can really go anywhere with. Alright, what is going on, guys? It's me, Ronick, here to bring you guys a special video. And this time, guys, as you can see, we're on something a little different today. We got a new bike. We got a Honda CRF250L. Hey guys, you can see I got the 250L, so we're going to be riding a lot more. The T-Dub was a good bike, but I had a lot of problems with it on the road and stuff, so this bike won't have any other problems like that. And plus, it is a lot nicer. Especially the one T-Dub I had, that thing was pretty beat. This thing's brand new. Right on, buddy, got a KLR. This time, guys, bringing the first trail ride on the new bike, the new 250. I haven't taken this thing off-road yet. I put over 100 miles on-road. So I got a good feel of the bike now. It's time to take it off-road a little bit. Let this thing be a real dual sport. Man, these trails are overgrown now. It's been forever since we've been on them. I think it's fun. I'm not around the other side of the creek. Man, I'm loving this bike so far. No, you have to go back and wheelie over it. You have to go back. You have to back up and then get speed. Okay, now I just gotta turn around.